Probably shouldn't have done that.
I'm not even good at playing Ashe, honestly, bro.
Then why are you playing her? Oh!
One decent, but like.
Oh, I'm dead. Kill him! No! I was melting his HP. The fucking medkit was right there.
Junkrat behind you.
Oh no! What the fuck? I got juggled like a pair of balls.
Okay. I canceled his ult.
Alright, okay, well, I'm just not getting healed.
Nah.
That's Ryan. Yo, Ryan's 1 HP on the point.
Lucio got him. Why am I lagging so hard?
Bro, me and Roy just jumped them. Me and Roy just jumped them.
See you guys. That's the all we with no cat.
Me and Roy, dude, and whoever that is just T-posing the entire time. Look at me. Can you look at me? I need to take a screenshot of this.
Dude, you just saved me.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, good! Alex, if you don't... No!
Okay, I didn't get hogged.
No way inside!
My tire literally dropped on his head.
Yep. Oh, that's so sad, bro. Oh, I tired it. Oh.
I'm not there, so I can't hear you guys. Bro, Bab, you're running from me. Kinda, make us in our spawn. We could be right here.
Okay, whatever. He's literally just camping our spawn.
Good on point.
Watch out, Evan.
Now he's dead.
Yeah.
Nice. Bro just swallowed a rock. You know that one scene from Charlie Brown? I got this, I got that, I got a rock.
I just picture like Patrick with like.
Wait, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Hold me.
Then,
Don't pick me on it.
No, fuck it.
and then there was a rock heading towards him. Oh yeah, I didn't realize I left.
I'm going after the Mercy.
They almost just threw that. They almost just threw that, bro. They almost failed a cat. They failed! They C9! The door closed! The door closed!
Literally none. Literally no HP. She's just pocketing, bro. I might switch up this. They're fucking ball, bro. How's this nigga going May, bro? But he's playing like ass. Oh. Okay, whatever.
Just not gonna act like I'm just soloing the entire team.
I just ball that went through. No one else. The ball slept. Just.
Killed one. Got two of them. Got three. I just.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy! I'm coming up for you. Got their support out the way.
No way. Talk about sucking cocks.
What?
Oh my fuck.
I like that.
Where's Alex at? Are you kidding?
Jacking his fucking. Oh! What the fuck is it?
Oh my gosh, I'm dead.
Mercy's one.
Mercy is so fucking OP when she ults, bro. Cause her beam stretches out to literally every player.
No!
Edwin?
No one's like in time to get. Actually, maybe.
Oh!
Stay left.
Just literally stand card. Literally stand card.
I can't. Weave.
There's a medkit there. There's a medkit there. There's a medkit there. No. You realize my laser hits you from here, right?
Dying to fire the saddest thing.
Oh, someone's capturing point.
Oh, it's a ball! Beat that dude. Come here. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. No, it ain't.
What?
Y'all think it's sweet, huh? Y'all think you're sweet, huh?
Alex, we just. Dude really thinks it's gonna come up here. Nobody can touch. Oh, she touched.
Oh, I thought we won. I was so cocky.
Oh, I hear her in midair. I hear her in midair.
Oh, I saw that. She's...
Thank you.
Let me see the gun. Let me see the gun in the hook.
Dude, I can't even see my guns. You're dead. Do I have a shield? Oh, I put the shield up.